Hello, thanks for watching another Roanex TMS tutorial. In this video you will learn how to manage your users. First, go to Roanex.com, next click on the login button, then enter your credentials. This will bring you to the dashboard. From here you will click on the users menu link on the left. You can click on different tabs to see the user type you prefer. To add a new user, click on Add User, then enter the user's information. The employee ID is optional. In this example we will select percentage for payment type and enter 25%. User type is a driver. Select the dispatcher. Enter the user's personal details like first and last name, email, phone number and password. Click Submit. Congrats! You just added a new user, now let's edit him. Click on Drivers, since we added a driver. Click on John Green. You can edit the dispatcher and other information. I am logged in as a fleet owner, so I can see the option to assign a fleet manager. On the bottom there are optional fields like social security number, date of birth, driver's license and address. Just enter what you need and click on Update. To view loads assignments, just click on the Loads tab. Any load assigned to this person will be displayed here. The Documents tab shows the user's documents, such as driver's license, medical certificate, and more. On the left you will be able to see the documents. On the right you can add them by clicking on here. Select your document. Document type. Expiration date is not required but recommended if you want to be notified when it expires. Now click on Add and the document will show on the left. The Permissions tab allows you to add or remove privileges from the user like viewing rate cons, deleting loads and more. That's it for managing users. For more videos please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when new content is uploaded. Also, please follow us on Instagram at Roanex_TMS.